Hi friends, Namaskar, this is Shukanta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Holidays Unlimited, your complete travel solution. Friends, we are now standing at airport viewpoint. We are at Paro airport. We want to see that particular airport from outside. We want to explore this particular destination. Till then, stay with me, stay with us. Thank you. Friends, right now we are passing through Paro airport, where you can see in my right hand side there is that airport, and in my left side there is that river which is called Pachu. Friends, you know this Paro airport is located approximately 7,350 feet high from the sea level, which is surrounded by peaks and high mountains. Friends, you know the most important thing about this airport is the Paro airport is treated as the most challenging airport throughout the world, and here is only 17 pilots are certified to land on this airport, and to become a certified pilot around 8 to 10 years flying experience is required, which is very much mandatory. Friends, you know the another important thing about this airport is in time of landing, pilot makes their judgment by their eyes only, as they cannot rely on the flight instruments as aircraft comes very closer to the mountain side. Friends, you know in time of takeoff and landing, maximum time aircrafts need to take 45-degree angle between the steep mountain, which you can understand how much it is adventurous. In this airport, takeoff is possible on both directions. Friends, you know due to several high mountains, sometimes winds are getting strong as 160 km per hour, which sometimes cause several turbulence, which you can understand how much it is adventurous. So please be with us till the end of this video and explore the entire Paro airport from this airport viewpoint. Thank you. Friends, you can see one flight is landing now. You can see this thing very clearly, what I believe. Wow. Friends, I believe you enjoy my entire video. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, please give likes, and please give your valued comments, which can motivate me to explore some other destinations in coming days. Till then, stay with me, stay with us. Thank you.